What you need to expect, weather is what you get. This simple phrase captures a profound truth. The Earth's climate systems are the invisible architects of our world, the masters of the biosphere, deciding where rainforests can flourish and where deserts must lie. To map these global designs, geographers use systems like the Köppen classification, sorting the world into zones like tropical, dry, or polar. But what draws these lines on the map? The primary control is latitude. The sun's direct, intense energy is strongest at the equator. Mountains also play a powerful role, forcing moist air upward to create lush landscapes on one side, while casting a dry rain shadow on the other, sculpting a desert with their sheer height. But Earth's climate also dances to a cosmic rhythm. Over tens of thousands of years, our planet's orbit isn't constant. It stretches from circular to oval. Its axis tilts back and forth, and it wobbles like a spinning top. These are the Milankovitch cycles. When they align just right, they cool the northern summers, allowing snow to survive year-round and build into colossal ice sheets, plunging the world into an ice age. Within this system, there are also powerful accelerators, positive feedback loops that can rapidly shift the global thermostat. Consider the ice albedo effect. As warming melts bright, reflective ice, it exposes darker ocean or land. This dark surface absorbs more heat, which in turn melts even more ice. It's a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle that amplifies any initial change. We know about these ancient cycles by reading the Earth's memory. Scientists drill deep into Antarctic ice, pulling up cores that hold tiny bubbles of ancient air, ghosts of atmospheres from 800,000 years ago. These records reveal a system masterfully balanced, but also incredibly sensitive. By understanding the intricate, natural machinery of our climate's past, we gain the essential tools to comprehend its future.